So in this video I'm going to cover adding two fields to a Gravity Forms form and putting them side by side as opposed to one on top of the other. So what we're going to do is click Add New, call it New Form. Right, once we've done that, we want to add two fields. Let's call this, or we'll duplicate it. First name, surname, save it. And if we preview it, they are one on top of the other, but let's say we want to have it side by side. So what we want to do is go in here, go to Appearance, and down the class name, we want to pop in this class. And this one will be Appearance. That will be right. It's updated. And if we preview it now, the two will be side by side.